In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use item specifics for SEO on eBay, which is an essential eBay tutorial for beginners. If you're looking to optimize your eBay listings to increase visibility and potentially boost your sales, you're in the right place. We'll explore how to effectively use item specifics to enhance your product listings and make them more appealing to potential buyers. To start, you need to open your listing editor on eBay. This is where you'll make all the changes necessary to your product details. Simply log into your eBay account, locate the items you want to edit, and then select the option to edit the listing. This will open up the listing editor, providing you with the platform needed to make your adjustments. Once you're in the listing editor, scroll down to find the section labeled Item Specifics. This area is crucial because it's where you can input specific details about your item. These details help categorize your product properly, making it easier for buyers to find when they search for related terms on eBay. By paying close attention to the item specifics, you're doing a significant part of SEO work, ensuring that your items are not lost in the vast sea of online listings. Next, let's delve into filling in the item specifics such as brand, size, color, and material. Let's pause here for a moment and talk about why this is important. Buyers often have particular preferences and will search using these parameters. For example, if someone's searching for a red cotton t-shirt from a specific brand, including accurate specifics like brand, size, color, and material increases the likelihood that your listing will appear in their search results. Be as precise as possible here, because these specifics directly relate to search filters used by buyers. Listing your item with the exact brand name, precise color terminology, correct size and material type will allow potential buyers to find your product faster. Finally, after you've filled in all the relevant item specifics, don't forget to save and publish your listing. This step is critical because it ensures that all your hard work updating item specifics gets reflected in the active listing. Hit the Save button to store your changes and then publish to make them live for the public to see. A well-constructed listing, complete with thoughtful item specifics, can make a huge difference in attracting the right buyers and boosting your sales. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully optimized your eBay listing using item specifics for SEO. It's a straightforward but powerful tool that can significantly enhance the visibility of your products. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you on your eBay